Hello students. Now let's continue the grammar. Now the second part of speech, pronoun. So what is a pronoun? What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. It is used in place of noun. We need not repeat the noun over and over again. So we use the pronoun in place of noun. The first type of pronoun, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun examples: he, his, she, her, you, we, him, them. All these are personal pronouns. Now that is his book. She comes here. Like that. So these are the examples. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns mean that belongs to somebody. Like that. Hers, his, mine, theirs, yours, ours. This book is mine, yours, ours. This classroom is ours. Like that. This pencil is hers. So these are the examples of possessive pronouns. Now reflexive pronouns. Example: himself, herself, ourself, themself, and also plural: ourselves, themselves. Like that. Himself. So he hurt himself. He fell down and he hurt himself. Yes. Now they did the sum. They did the sum themselves. Examples of reflexive pronouns. Now indefinite pronouns. So indefinite pronouns examples: all. They don't define a particular person or thing. All, anybody, somebody, each, everybody, somebody. You can make out anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, no one, and also no one, nobody, anybody. There is somebody at the gate. There is somebody at the gate. Everybody has to write the ut. So like that. These are the indefinite examples of indefinite pronouns. Relative pronouns: who, which, whose, whoever, whichever, where, whomever, whichever. So all these are examples of relative pronouns. The man who is standing in the ground is my uncle. Okay, whose is this book? So these are the examples of relative pronouns. Now we have learned the types of pronouns. These are the types of pronouns. So the next part is verb. So what is a verb? So a verb is a word which shows action. All the action words are called verbs. So verbs have so many tenses, three types of tenses. So tenses of the verb are simple past tense, simple present tense, simple future tense. Now what is simple past tense? Now the action that is already being done, that is called, it denotes the action that is already done. So that is wrote, example gave, saw, and there are so many other examples. Ran, wrote. So she wrote a letter. I gave a pencil. I saw a movie yesterday. So that is action being done already. Now simple present tense, that is going on. The action is, it relates to the action that is a regular and a repeated action, or it shows the general truth and universal fact, like the sun rises every day. So that's a universal fact. Write or writes, both write or writes, give or gives, see or sees. These are the examples of simple present tense. For example, she writes neatly. She writes neatly. They write the homework regularly. So these are the examples. This is for plural. We use this for singular. And the next is simple future. So simple future refers to the actions. It refers to the future time. It refers to the action that is yet to happen. So will write or shall write. Will give or shall give. Will see or shall see. So we will go to a movie today. We will go to a movie tonight. So we will write the homework regularly. So these are the examples of the three types of tenses of the verb. See, there are other tenses of the verb. We will learn in depth in the later sessions. Okay. Let us end up here. Thank you.